size babies.
Be careful, don't fall.
Well,
Oops. Here, jump down. Alright, we got her a little stool so she can get to the babies. Look how much they have grown. There's Scarlet, their mama. And what are they doing?
I don't know. Playing?
They're eating.
Eating? Ew. This is the poop stick. This is the poop stick.
Look at those cute babies. Oh, you're going to clean the poop off? Yeah, this is the poop stick. We have to scrape the poop off. That's so nasty. Shoo!
Hey, there's more.
We'll get it later, baby. We're not going to get it right now. Look at these little babies. Alright, you want to pet one, Carly?
Yeah. I want to pet this one. Okay. Hey.
You want Mama help you?
No, I can do it. Wait.
Alright, you can't climb in there. Ah! Maybe not. Let Mama get it. Here, Mom. Mama get one.
I want the red one.
Well, you know this one's the tamest because you play with it the most. There you go.
It's okay.
Say it's okay.
It's okay.
Don't drop it. So we give that one a lot of love, so it's used to us.
Yeah.
Yep. What's its name?
Its name is Rainbow Yuff.
Do you name all of your rabbits?
Yeah. All the baby rabbits I named, and all the big rabbits mommy named.
Look at them eating.
I know, but that one's Rainbow Yuff. That one's Flash, and that one right there, that's Super Wild, is Flash Sensi, and that one right there says kind of red and kind of thought too. Its name is Red Yuff, and that one over there, that's kind of right wired too, that has that one. Its name is Yuff, and the one that's super bright is super red. His name is Rainbow Yuff Sensi. That's her name.
Wow.
So I named all the babies. Mommy named all the big donuts.
Look at it cleaning its face. Aww.
Aww. Let me try I did it. It's okay.
Nope, be careful. There you go.
No.
Put it to your chest. That way it feels safe. Aww.
Nice little rabbit.
Look at that one. It's on top of its mama.
He's trying to beat her.
Alright, and you want to show them your bigger rabbits really fast?
Oh yeah.
Alright, while we're out here. Alright, jump down.
No, I can do it.
Oh, you can do it? Alright.
Hey.
Whoops.
Hey, I can do the top.
Okay.
Actually, I'm going to do
And again, we don't edit these, so they're just how we roll. Alright, so over here is our bigger ones that Carly is taking to the state fair. So she has Flash, and then Flash's brother, and then Flash's sister. I mean, not Flash. No, I'm sorry, not Flash. My bad, Spotty. That one's Spotty. The dark.
Spotty and she loves
See the little spot? That's why its name is Spotty.
Hey, I'm telling the names.
Okay.
Spotty's right there. T-Yuff is right there. And Yuff is right there. I mean, Yuff is right there.
Okay.
Then I see in the camera. Here comes Spotty. Hey, Spotty. Spotty. Oh, yes. Hey, Spotty. Remember me?
It's kind of hard to. You're in the.
It's okay. Spotty. Spotty, it's okay.
Oh, sorry, I'm getting mosquito bit. I'm trying to slap them. Alright, so.
Thank you for watching Spencer Farm. Really love mosquitoes. Ow!
Are you struggling?
Yeah.
Go inside.